There's a new ambulance in Manatee County. It's equipped with all the latest technology, but Fox 13's Kimberly Quizon says it is not for people.
Cheryl Brady responds to calls.
It's all retrofitted
As quickly as any first responder.
It's all specifically designed.
But her patients are pets.
We have a full set of pet oxygen masks there.
When she gets the call from Manatee County EMS, she heads out in her animal ambulance.
The loved ones can actually sit right here next to the pet.
East Manatee Fire Rescue first teamed up with Brady. Fire Rescue had responded to fire calls where pets needed help. At most, they could provide oxygen, but from there,
what do we do now? How do we go back to the owner? Hey, you need to call your local vet. They're still dealing with their house burning down.
EMS professionals, fire professionals had started to share stories about when they had incidences where they really could have used somebody that was experienced and trained and equipped to help the pet that was on the scene.
And Cheryl is no stranger to responding to emergencies. Before she started working with animals, she actually spent 5 years working as a volunteer firefighter.
She knows her way around and understands the process.
Brady responds to all calls, from dogs being hit to cats removed from a burning home. She administers aid, then rushes pets to emergency clinics.
If people are treated with oxygen or for any type of trauma, they still need to go on to a hospital. Pets are exactly the same way, if not more so, because they can't tell us what kind of condition they're in.
Her quick response time can be the difference between life or death.
Puts you so much further ahead of the curve and gives the pet a much better chance of survival.
In Manatee County, Kimberly Quizon, Fox 13 News.
Brady's on call 24/7. She and her team have responded to more than 3,000 calls since she first started Vet Care Express. And just like any ambulance call, pet owners do pay a fee.